Hello, dear future homeowners. Celine here, licensed real estate broker, and for today, I'll be sharing with you three things to consider when buying your first home. So, number one, and ito din yung pinaka-importante, is your source of funds, your source of income. So, kumbaga, dapat siguraduhin natin na yung source of income natin is stable. Na sure tayo na monthly mababayaran natin ang hulog sa ating bahay. Okay, so dapat make sure stable yan. And then, dapat may proof of savings din tayo. So, syempre, dapat may savings naman din tayo. So, yung monthly amortization natin, example, is nasa 60,000 pesos. So, dapat times 6 niyan. So, dapat at least meron kang 360,000 pesos na proof of savings. Kasi kailangan natin yan, lalo na pag magbabank loan. And then, dapat meron tayong gross monthly income requirement. So, usually, depende yan sa kukunin mong bahay. So, dapat maabot natin yon yung gross monthly income natin. Number two is location. So, yung location, like halimbawa malapit sa work mo, malapit sa school ang mga anak mo, so dapat kino-consider mo din yan. And then number three, yung needs mo. Ilan ba kayo sa family? So, ilang bedrooms ba ang kailangan ko? Ilang bathrooms ba dapat? Ilang uh, cars ba yung magkakasya sa bahay? So, yung mga ganyang bagay, kailangan natin i-consider. So, if decided na kayo, let me know. Tripping na po tayo. Please follow our social media accounts. Thank you and see you!